There's a large amount of birds in this area gathering for the feast of Thanksgiving. Birds way over there flying like fucking in a circle like a tornado. Everywhere. Birds lined up down the road. Oh man, look at that. Holy shit. This is welcome to Killa City. Holy cow. It's a tornado of birds. It's the gathering before every Thanksgiving. All the birds have. What are you guys doing? If I could talk to birds, I'd say, chirp, chirp, what's up? It's another tornado. Oh shit, of birds. Oh, just got shit on. Look at that. Oh, you gotta check this shit out. 2 birds just shit on me. Oh man, that is some disgusting shit. Alright, folks. Say goodbye to the birds.